Measure the fan casing and test fit before cutting, so the Panasonic Whisper Choice Auto will pass smoothly through the ceiling opening without forcing or damaging surrounding drywall. Start by removing the existing grille and light to expose the ceiling cavity and confirm the fan model is the Panasonic Whisper Choice Auto you will install. Lay the fan housing on a flat surface and measure the maximum width and length of the casing and any mounting flanges from multiple points, including where wires or duct collars protrude. Transfer those measurements to the ceiling with a pencil, then add a 1/4 inch all around for clearance, so the housing can be rotated and eased into place without scraping paint or fracture lines. Use a stud finder to confirm the new opening avoids joists and electrical or plumbing runs. If you cannot avoid a joist, you will need to reorient the fan or select an offset mount. Score along your pencil line first with a keyhole saw to break the paper face of the drywall, then cut steadily with controlled strokes, so the opening edge remains straight. Remove the cut piece and test fit the fan, making minor enlargements by trimming the drywall in small increments until the housing slides in freely. When feeding the duct and wiring through, support the housing with one hand while adjusting the opening so the motor and duct collar clear the hole easily. Then secure the housing to framing per the manufacturer instructions and seal gaps with acoustic caulk for sound and air leakage control. Common mistakes include cutting the hole too small, which leads to forcing the unit and cracking drywall, so always add clearance and test fit the housing before final attachment. Another frequent issue is failing to locate or avoid joists and hidden surfaces, which prevents insertion or causes structural problems. So use a stud finder and remeasure orientation beforehand. A third problem is rough or uneven cuts that interfere with proper sealing and lead to rattles and air leaks. So score first, cut carefully, and finish edges with a rasp or sanding block for a neat fit that allows the trim to sit flush. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like replacing a bathroom fan, so we can help match you with local installers experienced with ceiling opening sizing. Our discussion community lets us exchange tips, ask specific questions about models like the Panasonic Whisper Choice Auto, and share photos and step-by-step advice during the project.